Hi everybody, I hope you enjoy your Tuesday. It's Tuesday, right, Skylar?
No, it's Monday.
Tuesday.
Oh my gosh, I want that video.
Just pick up the girls from school and Jed is looking for a phone case. And you just got one a few days ago. So I'm not sure if you're looking for a extra source of income, and I'm inviting you to our free workshop today, and it's 6 p.m. Mountain Time, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll show you how to start an online business with our support, with our community support, and trainings and tools, and the system all provided. And you will get 30-day money-back trial as well. You can check it out, see if that's gonna work for you or not. So I'm here just to get my girl a phone case and see what she's gonna pick. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's gonna fit, so I have to get it here.
I'm sure.
To make sure the sides will fit.
Can we do it tomorrow?
Yeah.